Hello, my name is Tudor Krastev, and this is the second video for Cycle Calculator. Uh, in this video, I will deal with uh, so-called modules. For more details and illustrations, you can turn to tutorial.sicyon.com. Now, first, the most used module is graph or chart. You can simply write your expression as in here and define a range variable which will be used as abscissa variable, and a couple of more. We'll see later why. So that's the simplest possible way to use graph. Simply press the button and you'll see the chart. The same data are presented in table on the second tab of the module. You can add more than one series either from data table or data board or from another expression. Compare them and in graph form or in table form. Now for the additional variables to the range 1, they can be useful if you want to examine the behavior of your expression upon some variable. You can animate. Here is you pick your variable, how many steps, the range of this variable, and the speed. So run, and you see here the value of b changing and the shape of the chart of the series changing, and you can leave it to be automatic to scan through over and over again, or you can stop it and go manually to a value which you desire or think you're interested in. Another way to use chart and draw more complicated series is so-called parametric. Let's open from examples Sicyon. Second project, and you see here each axis is defined with a separate expression. Again, one common with one common variable. Well, all the variables are common, but one range variable which will define the loop. And update, and we will have the Lissajous curve. The same goes for three-dimensional, and again with the chart we can define another variable to be a French type, and here is a surface. And now if we apply the animation, it should be on a different variable, and we can follow the change of the surface according to following the changing of A. Now, another module is let's close this and get back to one range variable. Another module is finding roots. Here, if there's many of them, like that, if there's many of them, you can follow, click on the arrows and see the values here, or other way around. Click on the table and see where the root is. The last column here is S for suspicious. If there is any irregularity of finding the root in the procedure, here you'll have a question mark. So you can be aware that this root is under investigation, let's say. Another procedure is minima. The same goes for minima. Another procedure is maxima, and the same goes here.